Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hello. Hi guys, DiDn'T here again. Welcome to my trailer. Why am I in a trailer? It is a sad case, I tell you. I will just say average medical school debt is $250,000. Guys, it's extremely cold in the trailer. How cold is it in the trailer? About 66 degrees. Hey, that is still cold to me. Don't judge. Don't judge. Don't judge. Don't judge me. Why our masks failed? Coronavirus, Wuhan coronavirus, 2019 nCoV, SARS-CoV-2. So many names. Coronavirus is spreading and it is spreading fast. On December 31st, China reported several cases of an unusual virus. Huanan seafood market, Wuhan, city of 11 million people, was a suspected source. A wet market, it was called. They sold animals, and at that time the approximate number of cases was 40. A Chinese wet market is a crazy place, I tell you. Let us bask in the glory here. On February 6, according to CNN, there were approximately 28,000 plus infected. 700 times the original number. 600 plus dead. 700 times the original number. As of March 1st, there are 83,000 worldwide infected. Also, 2,000 plus dead. If this were to continue at exponential growth, in a perfect storm scenario, which it won't or shouldn't, the entire United States population could be infected in 2 more months. The entire world's population of 7.5 billion plus could be infected soon after. Throughout history, humanity has eventually built immunity to these viruses, or viruses have failed to sustain exponential growth for some reason or another, or we wouldn't be here today. There are a few cases where we almost got wiped out as a human species. Influenza 1918 was worldwide. Half of the world population was infected. 20 to 50 million people died. Black Death of 1346, affecting the entirety of Europe, Africa, Asia, by way of fleas jumping on rats, living on ships, visiting ports. A major point of contact between humans. 75 to 200 million dead. Plague of Justinian of 541. Bubonic plague again, killing half of Europe's population at the time. Killing 5,000 people a day in the major city Constantinople. Back to coronavirus. Ooh. As people should remain contagious for 14 days and not 14 weeks or 14 months. With isolation, hopefully things improve. In order to isolate, people have been quarantined. Diamond Princess quarantine. California military base quarantine. Chinese cities quarantine. Texas military base quarantine. Also, people are trying to protect themselves by using masks. However, at the moment, we are failing. Why? Number 1, masks are used poorly. Number 2, masks are not the end-all solution. People touch their face. People pick their noses. People scratch their eyes. We all do this. Number 3, only certain fancy masks give actual good protection. N95 masks. There aren't enough of these to go around. Number 4, N95 masks are expensive. Also, all N95 masks that I saw on sale as of March 1, 2020 are scams. Number 5, proper N95 use includes a personal fitting. This is a special type of mask fitted to your face, to your personal face. Not one size fits all. Problems with the mask. Neoprene. Giant holes in the mask. These masks look stylish, I'll give you that. Number 6. Mask use must be accompanied by good hand hygiene, good face hygiene. Number 7. Cover all coughs and sneezes. Number 8. Do not reuse masks. Number 9. Insane mask use. What is this? Let's give a couple tips on proper mask use. Wash your hands for 20 seconds plus. Warm water, soap. Wash frequently. Wash after interacting with new people. When taking off the mask, touch the strap and not the mask itself. Avoid touching face, mouth, eyes at all. This is extremely hard to do. Use an N95 mask. This is not practical. In fact, it is recommended only medical professionals use N95 masks. Look at the openings in these other masks. Look at these stylish masks. Not really protective at all. Coronavirus is about 120 nanometer in diameter. Let's just say at that size, coronavirus will pass through these masks faster than Chuck Norris. Let's just say we live in a perfect mask world. Everybody uses perfect hand hygiene, face hygiene, no picking your nose, no touching your eyes, no scratching your nose, no scratching your face, no touching your mouth. Everybody has N95 protective masks on. We will still probably fail. I don't care if you are educated, medical professional, you probably will not wear an N95 for any extended period of time. This N95 mask is a serious thing. Marks on your face, restricts your breathing, tight. You will probably want to take this mask off throughout the day multiple times. In doing so, you contaminate the mask. This virus has a trump card. What is this trump card? Our phones. You are addicted to your phone. You can't put your phone down. Everyone has one. People are addicted to this thing. Phones. In our bathroom, our beds. There is no good way to sterilize these phones. You are all addicted to your phone. Think of it now. This virus can get on your phone. It can stay on your phone and live. How would you sterilize these phones? Can you sterilize these phones? Realistically, how? These phones are germ houses. You should be ashamed of yourself. We will use this news story to memorize medical fact with great ease because we're all thinking about isolation. No mnemonics, no picture needed. You just think of how these things are transmitted, you will remember type of isolation needed. We will go over types of isolation, common types of isolation used in the hospital. Droplet precaution. These things are transmitted on droplet. Mucus flying through the air. Mucus from my face flying through the air landing on your face. Influenza. Group A strep, pertussis. Airborne precaution. Tuberculosis. Aspergillosis. Negative pressure room needed. Think about TB. Spread by tiny, durable spores. Can be spewed out into the air. Can land on anything. Contact precaution. C. diff. Clostridium difficile. Scabies. Bedbug. Herpes simplex virus. Open sores. MRSA. Think about C. diff. Do you want that diarrhea on you? Think about scabies. Bedbug. Tiny bugs jump on you. You need to be isolated with contact precaution. Think of herpes simplex, HSV. You don't want to be touching that. MRSA too. Okay, guys? Thank you for visiting DiDn'T and DiDn'T's trailer and DiDn'T's cold trailer. Someday we'll be in a house.